Hello, the Deck and Patio Company. I hope you're doing well today. My name is AJ with AJ Marketing Solutions here in the Houston and surrounding areas. And what I went ahead and did was an entire audit on your business online presence. I just wanted to get this video sent over to you to show you how you guys can adjust some of the things that y'all are doing online currently in order to start getting more people to y'all's website and converting those people to actual paying customers. Basically, we want your website to not just be a storefront, but instead be a constant lead generator so that you don't have to depend on someone else to find you new business like Angie's List, Home Advisor, Yelp, or Google Ads. But instead, your website is already bringing people in through the door or they're calling you directly. The reason I do this for local businesses is because I want to share information so that you can improve and get more traffic and business through the door. Some things that we're looking at specifically are content, backlinks, and citations. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. We've got your website, tdapc.com. Got a phone number up top. Got quite a few pages up here as well. Have quite a few pictures in the gallery, which I saw. These different areas linked to different pages. It's good. It's got good bones to it. One thing I see is that you guys don't have a lot of content. What this means is you don't have enough wording that people searching for deck and patio work done in your area are looking for. Google loves content. And what I've seen with my experience is that you should have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page of your website and about 750 words on each of the other pages, which also depends on your competition's websites. We also want a lot of keywords in your content. A keyword is anything someone might type into the Google search bar looking for a particular service or product. The goal is to place keywords throughout your website to tell Google exactly what words you want your website found for. One way we can find keywords that we really want to have in our website is through something like this paid tool I use called Ahrefs. You can use a paid tool like this, but I highly recommend you reaching out to me because your time and money is valuable. And remember, I'm here to help you to get you much more calls per month. When you use me, I'm here to make your business more profitable. Keywords. You have 136 keywords currently on your website that's organically ranking you up in Google. Some of your competitors that I brought up. So you can see BriarConstruction.com. When putting their domain name into this tool that I use, they have 311 keywords. Let's go back to yours, 136 keywords for the Deck and Patio Company. Some keywords that you have. Patio Company, Deck and Patio Company, different variations of the same word, which is great. Traffic flow each month. You have 17 visits estimated per month just from Patio Company alone when people searching for that on Google. As you see, there's some other keywords that you have here, not really getting you the traffic flow that you need per month on average. Go back to the BriarConstruction.com, 311 keywords. I'm not going to go through their keywords because that's kind of their property in a way. Another competitor of ours is Lone Star Patio Builders. Putting theirs into this tool that I use with their domain name, they have 2,100 keywords on their website. 2,100 keywords, which is great. Excuse me. I like to get on the home page everywhere. Now let's take a look at another thing that Google likes to look at. It's called backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing other websites directing traffic to your website. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most weighted and trusted backlinks wins. However, not all links are created equal. Backlinks that are relevant to your industry and to local websites will work best. We're going to go back to your stats on Google using this tool Ahrefs to figure out how many backlinks you guys have and how many your competitors have. Again, you could do it yourself if you want, but if you use me who has an expertise in this area, it'll save you a lot of time, money, and hassle. Currently, backlinks on tdapc.com, 54 backlinks, which is a good number. This DR is the strength of your target's backlink profile to other websites. So basically, it says that it shows the strength of who is pointing to your website of all these 54 backlinks in general. BriarConstruction.com, 737 backlinks. A lot of trust or weight going into those backlinks as well, because Google knows that they're good for it, basically. LoneStarPatioBuilders.com, 1,100 backlinks. Not as much trust as the last guy, but a little more than what we have currently. And that's a pretty good number. But once again, it should be relevant to your industry, and it should have some trust and weight to it. So just because you have a whole bunch of backlinks, it doesn't mean that they're all the right kind of backlink. Now we're going to go over citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in a map pack when people are searching for a service, which is extremely important for local businesses since they can generate huge amounts of revenue. When searching for deck contractors in Houston or patio contractors in Houston, you can do that as well. You see on Google that you see a few different ads up top. They're paying for those ads to be up there at certain times in the day. There's a map. There's a pack of names right by them as well. Some people have their website and directions. Some people don't have an address listed. But these people are doing something that are optimizing their way up to where they're on the top of the list, basically, alongside this map. Then we get into some organic traffic or organic searches. Alltexexteriors.com, deck companies in Houston, so it's pointing to specific ones. Houston Deck and Shade, H-Town Remodelers, so forth and so on. That's all organic search. This map pack is where 30% of your business should be coming from. The organic search underneath that is where 70% of your business should be coming from. Now let's take a look at your Google business profile. When looking up the deck and patio company over here, the GBP or Google Business Profile, or old terms was GMB, Google My Business Profile, is coming up. Has all your photos in here as well, which is great. Phone number and address. And your link to your website is here as well. Has some good reviews on here. It even has a link to your Facebook profile and a description of what you're all about, which is great. But there's always a way that we can optimize it to where it's doing better than the last person, to where this is coming up right here in the map pack. So that's the goal with your GBP or Google Business Profile. Other citations also include directories like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, and hundreds of others you might have heard of. Yelp, Deck Contractor, you see a list of people that do deck work as well as patio work or the reconstruction of such, and their name, phone number, address when you get in there. Better Business Bureau, name, phone number, address of different companies that do the same thing that you do. More citations equals more views. Social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them. Once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. And just a reminder, Ahrefs is just a tool. So these numbers are based on their own algorithms. However, the real numbers from Google are actually almost always much higher. By generating this kind of traffic, so once again, let's look at yours, tdapc.com, 94 visits to your website on average per month, just from organic searches, meaning just from people looking at your keywords and or being pointed to your website from other websites. So 94 visits to your website per month on average. What Briar Construction is doing is getting 631 visits to their website per month, and they don't have any kind of paid searches either, so they're not doing any kind of Google ads. If you look at Lone Star Patio Builders, 1,300 visits per month on their website each month on average. Once again, they're not even doing any kind of Google ads for their website either. So they're making this 2,100 keywords and these 1,100 backlinks work for them to where they really don't need to look anywhere else. People are calling them. Per month, 1,300 visits. By generating this kind of traffic through their website and their Google business profile, let's say their conversion rate of people actually calling their business was about 10%. 10% of 1,300 is 130. So if they close business deals at about 50% of those 130 calls, which is common for local businesses from this type of traffic, is probably closing somewhere around 60 to 70 jobs per month, just from their online presence alone. I'm not sure what your sales goals are, but I imagine 60 to 70 jobs per month would generate some pretty decent sales. So this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more business to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information. Or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Whether you use me or someone else, at the end of the day, I just want to help out local businesses. It's a huge passion of mine. Also, if you could, please leave some feedback about this video or information provided today. Again, my name is AJ and feel free to reach out as my door is always open. My phone number is 281-851-6265 and my email is ajms4u@gmail.com. Once again, ajms4you@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helps and have a great rest of your day.